Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. In today's video, I am going to be going over my custom tail lights. As you guys can see, I'm in the background. They're so cute. I did upload the install video a couple weeks ago, and a lot of you guys had positive feedback and had some questions as well. So I will be sharing those answers with you guys and also showing you guys what these tail lights can actually do. There's so much, so I'm gonna just try to show you guys the basics, and then if you guys have further questions and decide to get these tail lights, I will answer them for you. But as I mentioned in my previous video, I did get these tail lights from my friend Lonzo at Lonzo Works. Make sure to give him a follow. He does not only my car, but he does other cars as well, and he doesn't only do tail lights, he has his own shop out in Colton, so hit him up for any of your car needs. Look at my tail lights, they're so cute. I'm literally so obsessed with them. This is only one of the many different features that you can do, or the different shows. This is called a show mode. So basically, if you go to a show, you can leave this mode on. That way you're showing off your tail lights. I will show you guys some other modes right now. If you guys watched my previous video, I included the part where I was super shook because Lonzo added one part that I didn't know of, which was my fourth brake light down there. I did not know that he was doing this. He actually custom made this. Don't mind my car, it's really dirty, but he custom made my fourth brake light, and it's still functional and it does match with my tail lights. Like I said, I had no idea he was doing that. I'm super grateful, and I think it just looks so good. It totally matches the color, and I'm obsessed with my car now. It will definitely stand out from the rest of the STIs now and WRXs. So a lot of you guys actually asked me if these tail lights are legal, and they are, just obviously not in this mode. So I'm gonna show you guys what they actually look like when you're driving, when you're braking, reversing, your blinkers, and all of that. Right now, obviously they're pink, but you're not supposed to be driving like that. So let me show you guys. I'm gonna hop in the car and I'll show you guys the different modes that you can use and how they will look on a regular day just when you're driving. So those are the different, obviously, regular driving modes. Now I'm going to show you guys the different show modes. So when you're driving on a regular day basis, obviously that's what it's going to look like. But let's say you go to a show and you want to obviously show off your taillights. You have this app, right? It's called Ghost, and it basically saves all of your show modes. So this is where you basically turn each different mode on. I don't have too many because I just got them. But for example, Dazzle, I'm going to click on it and then it'll override it. So that would be your Dazzle, and this does stay on, so even if your car is off, you don't have to worry about it turning off, so you can walk away with your phone and it's going to stay this way. Now if you do want to change it, you do have to be kind of close to your car, so you obviously have to walk up to your car because it is connected with Bluetooth, and then you can just change it. So I can change it to that. That's another mode. We have this one here. This is one of my favorites. It's called Waves, and I think it looks so good. I did like a white with a pink and a little purple, and I think it looks so good. And my favorite part is that the fourth brake light is also a part of it. Look at that! Isn't it so cute? It's like a tiny heart, but yeah. Shout out to Lonzo. I'm gonna show you guys a few more show modes so you guys can see everything that you can do. But honestly, you can get as creative as you want with this app. I'll show you guys. You're gonna click the add button right here, and then it's basically gonna automatically go to the first one, which is popcorn. So here you have a bunch of different options. One of my favorites, like I said, was Wave. What is Waves? Waves. So if I go to Waves, it's gonna bring it super bright. So we're gonna lower the brightness here. And then it gives you the options to change the colors. So right now it just automatically prompts those colors. So I'm gonna remove these colors and then I'm gonna put my own colors. So instead of red, I can do green or like this teal color, and then I'm gonna add another color. I'll do red, I'll add another one, I'll do purple, and then if you click on this little box, it changes it. So if you look at the taillights, you can either do it like that or you can do it like this, which is pretty cool. And then obviously you can add more colors if you'd like. You can speed it up, you can slow it down. So this is slower, it goes basically like one beat at a time, or I can do it really quick or super quick. That one makes me dizzy. But yes, it gives you different options. There's so many different modes, so we can go through them. Let's see, lava lamp, that would be one. Ooh, that one looks so cool. Alrighty guys, so this does conclude my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like my taillights as much as I do, because I am obsessed. And shout out to Lonzo, he did an amazing job. If you guys are interested in some taillights, or if you need help with anything with your car in general, hit him up. He has a shop out in Colton. Make sure to follow him on Instagram. He doesn't only do heart taillights, he can do different taillights and for different cars too. So hit him up, tell him what you're looking for, and he'll let you know if you can do it, which most of the time he will be able to do it. I am obsessed with my taillights, and I hope you guys like them. Let me know your thoughts down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at STILIZ, and make sure to follow my brand bettertomorrow.co. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.